Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are playing Build a Boat to Survive. 10.6k players, that's quite a lot. Whoa! Nearly 100 million players. This game is entirely based on Build a Boat for Treasure. I thought that game was made before. Oh, it was like created like 5 months ago, I think. Yeah, I don't know numbers. Let's just do it. This thing isn't loading. Loud. Load you Build a Boat. Oh wait, what happened? The network connection thingies. Ah. Okay, as you can see, I have 8.6k gold. If you haven't seen my other video, which I haven't even uploaded, so you probably haven't. I made a huge boat, but my friend who came along accidentally scrapped it. I'm very sad about that. Perhaps he's watching it now. Okay.
Let's just start with a basic, simple flooring thingy.
I have lots of gold, so I'm pretty sure I'll make it. Okay, I'm probably gonna pass this. I'm gonna probably speed this up a lot more than you think. As you can see, the boat shape is gonna be a bit big because I have a lot of money. And when you have a lot of money, you want to make your boat really big. Actually, I want to make it like a square. Like, squares are good for you kids. They don't make you learn mathematics. So, as people, actually nobody knows. But my last boat was not a success, sadly. Yes. I'm still very sad about it. That it got scrapped. Because I was about to show my other friend. There's a lot of friends in this video about this. And actually I'm right now, but I just don't have the time to look. Okay, I'm making the boat sculpture. Meh, bit big. It's not like enormous, as I don't have it that much money in the world. So I'm expressing the floor to me made of wood. As you can see, I've definitely played this game before. How do you know? Wait, I just want to know. How do you know how many crossings you have? Never mind. Well, I just think I have 3 crossings, so yeah. So this should take me, so if that took me 200, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. That equals 1,800, so I think I'm pretty fine with that. Actually, no, it was a different shape, so actually, yeah, it's gonna take that much. This will take so long. I'm pretty sure I'll have to fast forward like quite a lot of it. I'm actually going really slow. Okay, I feel like this shape is a bit too big. Like last time I rounded off with 2k gold. Pretty sure this time I'm gonna round off like with 5. Oh, this is gonna take me so long. Oh my god. Oh, did I use carpet last time? Because I'm pretty sure if I have that much money, which I don't sadly. So, the first floor of my boat, as I can remember, was full of old metal because that's what I could purchase. But glass is a bit bad. Because I don't want anybody to see through it. Let's just finish this off with a bit of old metal. So I want it about 8 blocks up. Like, that's the main structure. I want to make this structure a bit more bigger. It's going to be a lot bigger, and I don't even have enough money. That actually took less money than I imagined. Shows that I'm horribly bad at calculating. Let's just do this. Okay, I don't know. What's the jump height? It depends all about the jump height. Yeah, I feel like that's probably enough. I want the floor here to be made... Why am I working on the floor when I haven't even finished any part of the walls? What? No. This will take forever. I feel like it. So, you should definitely just fall out, like, to the bit where I'm actually ready to finish off the roof and set it off for one day. I wish to save this boat because last time the boat, like my other boat, it got scrapped. I don't know how it got scrapped actually, because I allowed somebody on my team who I maybe shouldn't have. I'm pretty sure they're watching this. Wait, it just said 7.50k, and it just said 7.50k, but this is 10, so it's not supposed to say that. Oh, this will cost so much. This will cost a lot more than my other boat. And I'm pretty sure it's not going to be a very good boat either. Especially that the floor might crack off. But I'm expecting for 2 floors today. And then if I have enough money, like 5 billion more. So I've used up 1k. Let's speed build. It takes even longer if you speed build. Oh my. No, not supposed to be there. Is any? Yeah, my boat's starting to look pretty much strong. Can you go inside a block? Oh, you just get squished out. Never mind. Oh, now I can't place the blocks very much. So, all the time I've tried to build it, it usually just crumbles down. This is like an actual building work, I've just realized. Like, it actually might take it, even if it takes 3 years less. Okay. Okay. I've spent 1,000 on the walls now. I'm pretty sure that's good. Yeah, I'm only like, I'm not even halfway yet. This is so weird. Like I think it might even be the first time I've uploaded on YouTube. I don't know the future. We need to make it though. We have to make it. Otherwise we'll never sail to the end and become a proper sailor. Actually, I have people, so that's kind of an understatement. So, oi. You guys saw that, right? Oh, that's a cool boat. Whoever's doing that has a lot of money to make. What thing is that? Yeah, I don't know. I wish I had turrets. That would be really handy. Like, I can shoot that ship around. Like I could start a navy, the boat navy. It doesn't really sound deadly, but anyways, it's deadly. Okay, I think I might make the other walls a bit smaller than this one. This one is a bit too tall, and I'm pretty sure I won't get up very easily with my blocks. But hopefully I'll find a way. Like, you can't really get inside the boat. Oh. Okay, we're halfway done, I think at least. I don't even know. Okay, I've used 6k gold on this. I feel like I made it a bit too spacey. Because now I need to add the rug, maybe. I'm pretty sure I don't need a rug. But I'm pretty sure I do. This is very, very, stylish. Has anybody joined? No. Nobody seemed to build my amazing boat of doom. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that people will just get frustrated because, as you know, I've been taking... It's already been like 6 minutes since I started my boat. I think it has. Well, it's been 10 minutes since I've been in this game and I'm still building the top pit.
Oh my god.
Okay. Delete that. But it's actually looking pretty strong. Like, it looks like it can hold stuff in. Oh no, I have less gold than I'm supposed to build the walls for the second... I think it was the roof, wasn't it? Let's just stay up here. We don't want to waste any gold. Hopefully I won't miss anything because I won't be getting that down. Why? If I'm not going down, then why don't I just make one floor? No, I only have 5k money. Actually, I think it's less than 5k now. I don't think this is even... 5, 6, 7. This is 7 blocks up. Imagine what would happen if I lived like 25 billion. It's not even 25 billion. I know that myself. Oh, steady camera. Steady. My next thing might be... Oh, 5. So it actually shows me the amount of blocks I can make. So there's a maximum in this game. Oh, I exactly use 5k. I think the roof is going to be a problem now. Did we just sail it to get more cold? Like, I don't know. I've got 8.6k. Probably. This would be much easier. Just did it from here, right? Yeah, but it's just hard to get the grip of it. Just if you know, I'm using tablet, so I can't really... Well, I'm not sure. Oh, okay. So, it just shows you that. So guys, we're actually planning to make glass this next level. Probably about 6 feet tall. Like, I'll lose too much money. Actually, I can lose a lot of money. I can afford that, yeah. No! My beautiful walls! Oh, no. Oh. You shall never provoke our walls. No, I don't want the floor to be all metal. I'm not mad. Guys, I'm not... Ah! This is so hard, especially as I'm not like somebody like a fast bridger. A speed bridger, I think that's called. But that's in Roblox Bed Wars. And we're playing Roblox Build a Boat. And build a boat seems like impossible. Do. Made it. Yay! Okay, now that we've made it. Oh my goodness. Imagine how easy this would be for a speed bridger. Like, he would get it done like in 5 seconds. Like in the time I just said that. That's a bit fast. If you don't know who a Roblox bridger is, just watch out for you. Just type in Roblox speed bridger and you'll see. I think. At least I've only seen one video about them. I think it was the world's biggest speed bridger versus somebody. I don't know video. Even if I post them. Which I don't even know I do. Yeah. 5 feet high. So I'm pretty sure that's not enough space. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to spend less gold on this. Oh, let's just step up here. Oh, imagine the people just looking out and seeing, what? Like, they'd be like, am I building correctly for the walls? Like, I want to really show my friend though that this is one of the boats that I tried to make. This is how rich I am. Actually, I'm not very rich. It's only £8,000. And in real life, you think that £40,000 is a lot, but for us kids, or almost grown-ups, as we say, we actually think it's quite a lot. Like, we think that, oh, $1 million is a lot. We don't actually think that, do we? I don't even know. Okay. Let's just keep building. Up and up and up and up and up and up and up. And that's actually a phrase that might come true. Oh, I can barely see. You might... What the heck? I don't get that. I just tried to make a glass like 5 billion times out of this world. Wait, if I did 6 last time, then I don't have enough money for the roof, maybe. I don't actually know anymore. Like, I can make a glass floor if I want, but I think that would cost too much, and I don't think I have enough money. I don't have enough errors to spare. Like, I've already spent like 17 minutes on this video. And I'm still building the boat to make it to the end. Imagine if this fails. I'd be so depressed. Okay. Up. Go up. Don't go down. You would probably die if you went down. Now I'm making more mistakes. Like, people say practice makes perfect. Like, in my life, it's like the 3rd time I do stuff, I fail. Let's just make it go a bit... What's the glass doing here? No! Not my beautiful floor. Oh, my beautiful floor. I'm so sorry. Oh, it's so annoying. Like, it looks like, oh, it's the joystick. But it's actually the thing. What is the thing? I don't know. Oh, this is the problem. Like, I don't have enough money. Are you kidding? Oh! Okay, this is a bit annoying now. No! My beautiful floor. Oh, how dare you. Oh, how dare you. Yeah, I got it. And now I still need to build. I messed that up too, let me guess. My guesses are incorrect. Let's just keep doing it. I'm very sorry if this video didn't get edited, because I'm not even sure I need edits in this video, as everything seems unbelievably contentious, or whatever you call good content, I guess. I don't know. Wait, so if I was at 3k at the roof, then I should have enough to make a glass floor, but I don't want to, as this is a much bigger boat, and I think it might survive. Should we just make a roof for this thing and make sure? Yeah. Oh my goodness, making this boat is so annoying. Like, this boat is the worst boat in the history of boatess, which I don't know as a thing. This will become painful. Why is the floor... Oh, what did I just spend that on? Oh. There's a floating wooden block. Help me. Help me. No, I shall have litter cleaners. And then I shall build... Oh no! No, my beautiful flooring. How do you do this? Like, how? How do you do this? Like, do you go up? Or do you go down? Ah, I see people outside looking at us. This is the biggest boat in the world. You shall worship it, I guess. I don't know what else you'll do. Maybe you'll... Actually, I don't like the way how it says red. Like, I want to become a speed bridger. I'm going to do this super fast. Super fast. Joey, mama, where did the blocks go? I didn't see where the blocks go. Are they outside? They're not down there. Are they out here? Oh, there is one. Huh? This is so confusing. Am I like farming stuff? So guys, I'm almost finished my roof. Is it finished? I can't. Oh dear. No, no. This is so irritating. Making the strongest boat in the world is not a good choice. Ah! What did I just make your seats? Well, can't be next. To all players waiting for arrival, you shall arrive shortly. There's lots of seats to ensure safety. Okay, so if my friends join, they'll think that this is the waiting area. Where's this block there? Well, let's just make another seat. No! Yes, there. Okay. There's billions of seats. Now let's make a boat. This is so annoying. Like, I have to be in first person view because of the glass. Like, I do it outside the glass instead. Like, yeah, I'm not even angry anymore. This actually is turning out to be a good boat. Well, that's exciting. You shall be secured in with your seatbelt? Yeah, bruh, the thing's flying. So this is going to be my alleyway seat in the middle. Oh, I made the seats right against the wall. Why would I do that? Should I make an emergency floater outside? Oh, imagine them just seeing me look out into the world. Oh, the poor world. Okay, let's just sit down ourselves like we need to do. And we're still moving on. I need floaters down here. Oh, you need to join the group. Well, I'm not doing that. Okay, let's just be peaceful. Let's make some lights, shall we? So let's get out of our seat. Let's go into front view. Let's make this homely. According to all passengers, captain must stay in their seat. Even if there's an emergency, you shall die and never live again. Oh, what a good announcement. My boats are actually starting to look really good. Look at it. is literally a masterpiece. You can't jump. Who cares? So, why? It's a masterpiece. It's literally a masterpiece. Okay. I'm not really sure what I do. Should I launch it? No. I've still got like 5 billion. Should we make a trap door? Like up there? I'm not even sure what a trap door does. Cause I'm not Minecrafty. Cause I think that's where trapdoors originated, right? Okay. I wish we could have all of that, but we sadly can't. Ooh, this is tough. I'm gonna spend like billions of dollars on this. I should make a sign. Yes! It actually shows it the right way around. Oh dear. Can we write on that sign? No. Now we're closer. Can we write on it? We can't write on a sign. That's odd. My guess. So our seat is here, so we're gonna zoom it. We're strapped in. Well, I think it is the seat in front of us. Yeah, I made so much seat that it's hard to sit. Guys, why is there a giant hole? No, we don't want you in the floor, giant hole. Now scram. Okay. Before I give you a boot where the sun don't shine. Okay. Let's just. How does a trap door? Tell me in the comments. So after these painful 27 minutes of doing this, I think we're ready to go almost. Yeah, waiting area here. There's food. Did I press it? Is that a table? Yeah, that's a table, a floating table. I make it kind of nice and comfy. I don't want to... Yeah. There's carpets in between so the people don't die. I spent so much gold on this boat. I'd be ashamed if this literally just dies. I'd actually be mad at the developers of this. Like, I want to know if you can save every single boat. Huh? Now this is hard. It's actually really hard here. Like, you might paint the ceiling, you might paint the things behind you, like that table. So, you have to actually be really careful with where you place your flooring. Unlike me. Yeah, first class. This is only first class, guys. This is only first class. Oh, and to ensure that there's a tiny seeing hole. Oh, I used so much blocks. Oh, what just happened? Nothing? Okay. Well, there's glass in the middle of no matter. Yeah, happy. I'm pretty sure my friends will be pretty amazed with me. Like, I'm not really a technician or anything. I don't do anything special. But this boat is a lifetime of work. Now it's time for the ultimate thing. Can we build a boat? Oh, wrong seat. Wrong seat. Oh, that's the wrong seat too. Oh, now I'm confused. Yeah, that is the correct seat. And let's launch it. Now she should probably cope pretty fine. Like, there's a sign on top saying nothing, so that they don't know who. Imagine the people just looking out at us. Look, they're just like, what the? Here is this. And they're just like, friend, just come to your senses. Don't be burned by the boat. I feel like they just left the server when it just said that. Oh, Roos. You so hard, dude. Look at my boat. Look at my boat. He's just like, and his brother's just like, huh? No. Don't. Come They're just both like, what the heck? I want to come in the boat. We just killed innocent people. Why would you do that? Why? And now they're like, mia via. I'm not a Spanish instructor or anything, but this is actually quite mad. I think people are quite mad to actually do that. Let's just make it faster. I don't want to see them again. Oh no, now I don't know which seat I am. I actually don't need to do anything, like, I'm going pretty fast. Imagine if they are still chasing me. Yeah, the boat's a bit rumbly, so I should just probably sit down. Yeah, lucky. It's not your lucky day. Oh, is anybody still chasing us? No. Nobody bothered. Oh! They're just talking. I think they're talking about my boat. Anybody who's Spanish, in the comments what they're saying, because I don't understand a single word. We are nowhere near the end. I just want to say that. I'm underneath the map. Oh wait, it's actually my camera underneath the map. No, there's something in the gloom. It is there's something arousing from the shape. It's a huge square. And there's a sign on top. What does it say? I don't know. But it says something weird. Actually, it says nothing. So, is anybody still seeing us? No, everybody's just stopped. I think every single person on this entire server just saw my boat. Those people who are just like, ja, das med no verde. Sim, terquia, amigo, hi guys, esto bodo no club azul, amigo, etemun, estu, neho de, miat neho este mer gentle, sim, smaya, teams. Oh no. Oh no. Are they changing? No, that was before, wasn't it? Nah, who cares? Español extra no verde. Implica no es Okay. Pronto. Are they like fast come onto the boat? Like, that's my nearest guess, I feel like. Como vente strömmer. Mer ve kvästkvästia i kväll en vecka. Me. Hashtag faz cosita inventa qualquer so cosia quest tenti sim that's sped up. I think they're mad. I think they're really mad. Like, these people have to be mad to be chasing after the boat when they see nothing coming inside. Oh, what happened to the floor? Oh, my floor. Oh, my beautiful flooring. Oh, my beautiful... Wait. How much of my boat is actually damaged? That's actually nowhere near a lot. Oh, will this damage the test? Oh, nothing got damaged. Oh, wait. Yeah. One of the flooring got damaged. Oh, somebody's chasing. Somebody's behind me. And they're going way faster than me. I'm worried. I'm worried that they might try and jump onto my boat. Like, that's the worst type of person. Like, it's the clearest. I should be seeing them in a moment. Like, I should be seeing them at this very moment. Somebody's going so fast. If I go fast, I'll probably tip over because of my Oh my! What have I done? No. Bruh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die, dude. Just die. Die in peace, please. No, no. I shall steer this boat out of your way. I shall never make you steal them again. And I shall go very fast. I'm probably gonna tip over at this point. Oh, I feel so bad for them. Like, I think that's fast enough. Sheesh. 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 There's only like 3 sides of the boat that hasn't. Amigo es Dunanzu. We shall chase after the boat, maybe. Look at us on the stick. No, it's those guys. It's those guys. They're really close. It's the blue hair Russo guys. Oh no. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much. You're the best. Oh no, my big boat won't even not touch any of the objects. Yes. Imagine them like. What? We're just. That's a big boat. Eh? Oh, I feel like they're right there. I think they're right there, actually. I think they're right there. I think they just made a tower, maybe. Like, they maybe made a tower, but that's impossible because otherwise you won't make it. I'm not gonna finish this video till I make it to the end. Like, if this boat doesn't make it, I don't know what will make it. Like, I feel like they just died. All of them. All of them just died. What? What just happened that made every single person die at the same time? Oh, no! No, that's a battle against my floor. Aww, they didn't take time. Well, at least they reduced the amount of HP. I hate it that you can just clear the way when you don't want to. Do I have the boat control anyways? I don't think I do. Oh, I'm halfway there and I've been playing this video for about 37 minutes. Rex OMG! That's my friend! Oh, my friend has joined the experience. What do I do? Rex. Oh, hello. I made a new boat. I want to just speed this up. I want to speed it up. What team am I on? Are they even in the server? I don't know. Are they still in the server? Nope. They hate me. Yeah, good. That's the same person. I feel like they're gonna comment on my boat and say, "Oh, I'm tipping. I'm tipping." I don't care. I'm not gonna make this boat tip. Like, I'm so close to the end. Like, not many people have made it this far. How do you get boat controls? Which boat do you need to make boat controls? I don't know. This is so annoying. Like, I'm literally just floating in the water. Okay. I hope you can't get stuck in that can. That would make your life really hard. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm about to tip over. I'm not kidding. This is so bad. Like, the flooring. I should have made my flooring bigger. Like, I had the goal to, and I didn't do it. Actually, I didn't have the goal to. So yeah, am I sitting? Cause I thought I was moving. Okay, I think I'm about to tip over. I feel like I'm about to die. Please tip over that way. No, yeah, that way. Perfect. Perfect. Actually, the floor's ripping. Help. Help. The floor below just ripped. And I can see the damage. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Maybe I should have written, please be lucky. I don't know. Hello, I made a new boat. They immediately left the experience. I wish they saw my boat. Like, it's the best boat in the history of boaty boats. 2. Ja. That's 1, right? And then they're gonna say something like go. No, I don't think that one's a countdown because you start from 3 usually. Okay. Okay, we're really close to the end, as you can see. Another 25 gold. I don't think I'll have enough money in the world to get this boat and have enough time to repair it. Because I'm going to usually play. Yeah? That was just a random person just telling me to switch off for some reason. But I'm not gonna until I finish. I'm gonna finish this forever. Okay, I'm really close to the end. Like, I'm so close to the end that you can barely even see me not close to the end. Like, I'm so close that the closest close can't be very close. Okay. Okay, now's the biggest, one of the hardest levels. Well, the top hasn't been damaged, so overall, I think my boat score is really good. Like, I think if you were to rate my boat, I think you rate it actually really good. Like, I think there's a useful for that. The floors being very high. Oh, they're missing all the fun. They're just like 75 gold. Well, I'm like, 5 billion gold. Well, I know that's not 5 billion, it's only like 250. Oh! Oh! Holy please. Holy God, please. Oh no. My boat's rocking from side to side. I don't nearly have any flooring left. Oh no. I'm losing a lot more flooring. Oh! Yeah, I'm gonna survive. There's no way that glass can't handle this. Okay. It's taking a lot of my boat. Hey, dude, don't take out my boat. My boat's really cool. Please don't. Please make me get out alive. Oh, we're so close. I can feel it. I can feel it with my head. Oh no, there's another level after this. I forgot. What level is that? Wait, is there even a level? I don't think there was. Well, the boat's tipped over. And unluckily, if I get out of my seat, I'll die. Oh, this is hard. Oh! Oh, please. Please, waterfall. Please, waterfall. Please spare me. Oh, the rocks are much more powerful. Ah! Whoa, we made it. We made it, guys. The biggest boat in history has been sailed through treacherous seas, swampy oceans, and it's about to die. RIP boat. At least for a bit. We made it. Well, that was quite a good adventure, wasn't it? It took me over 10 minutes to get there. Well, oh, boat. You're good. You're good. Yes, let's go. 500 gold, eh? Hopefully my last made boat. I've almost got 10k now. But sadly, I said I'd stop. So, bye-bye.